Did anyone say hot girl summer? That's what I thought. No one. It's way too hot. I can't. Hi. My only roommate is out of town. You know what that means? No, not this. I meant trying out outfits that I wish I had the confidence to wear outside, but I don't. I wanted to share and hopefully give you a little pep talk. You can wear whatever you want. Basically, my whole life has been, I have a Pinterest mood board. I know which stores to get the clothes from, but I have no confidence to get it. Just thinking about wearing those outfits outside makes my hands sweat. I don't know if you can. Maybe I won't show you, we're not that close just yet. Just trust me, my hands are very sweaty. I love to give a show, especially if I'm alone.
Forming.
For who? There's nobody here.
Anywho, outfit number 1. It's actually the outfit I'm wearing because it's what inspired me to start filming. Okay, cool. We have a really oversized polo. Is that what it's called when it's like, you know, polo? I have rocker boots, platforms. Technically rocker platforms. Very comfortable. Love them. This is thrifted. This is also thrifted. And then the boots are from Sirens. The only reason I wouldn't want to wear it is because that's gonna come up a lot. So there's gonna be a lot of nipple talk. I know. I want to start off by saying it's so unfair that feminine nipples that are attached to a woman's body are sexualized, and then we have men jogging in the park without a shirt on. Is that what patriarchy is like? Anyway, I just want to say it's one of those shirts where if I don't have a bra, the nipples are gonna show through, and I'm not comfortable with that. Nah, you may be like, Ray, just wear a bra. Yes, I agree. Itch. The issue is that with that kind of material, it would kind of show. That's it. It would just show. Maybe with a belt, this might be, I'm just trying things here, you know? This might be more uncomfortable than anything. Putting this on top so that it's, you know, the shirt is shorter. I don't know, how do people do it? I don't have that Gucci belt that, you know, stands by itself, so I guess this is a look. Or maybe just a bag. This might be too much. Wait, I'm kind of digging this. What do we think? You know, it's shorter, but still arm's length. Another worry that I will have for most outfits is that, like I've mentioned at the beginning of my video, I sweat a lot from everywhere. And so light colors like these, if I spend more than 5 minutes in it, it's over. If I see sweat stains on someone else, low-key, I'm not even gonna notice because that's like what the body does. It's cognitive bias, I know, but I really do feel like people judge my sweat stains more than I judge theirs, which might be the case for some, but I feel like people don't even care by now anymore. I hope so. And there you have it, Seated Girl with the banana. You know what? If this was worn by Kendall Jenner, it probably would have been a hit. But I don't think this is a hit for me, even if It's giving me mom goes to the grocery store and has forgot her keys in the car.
It's very giving. It's giving very much.
That's not the vibe I'm going for. So, anyway, next outfit. This outfit is giving me very much one-tone, cowgirl, hee-hee girl, very basic, very almost Coachella if I wasn't wearing heels. Boots are from Steve Madden. The skirt is from Forever 21, got it on sale. Top is from Garage, and the bag is from American Eagle, which I'm proud to say is the only thing I ever bought from the stores. The confidence factor here is the skirt. I don't think it's flattering, but I don't want to give up because that type of skirt has been in my Pinterest mood board for years. From the profile, there's just like a weird bump that won't go away. I don't like that the pockets, they're not really usable. And the skirt's not really that short, but I can't really sit. I can do anything else other than walk. The bag is adjustable, so you can have it as like a crossbody rather than like a shoulder bag. Depends on your style. I like it better the other way. Actually, I don't think I like this bag at all. Let me switch. Maybe with you. I am a silver girl after all. This bag is from Zara, and it is better. Yes, great. It's way less one-toned, and it's not as like sweet and innocent. What I like about those types of tops, you can like tie them from behind, is that no matter the chest that you have, you can adjust the tie behind your neck so that you want more or like less support if you want it like looser or just as like a bathing suit cover up or whatever. So really, the one piece that I'm not confident in is the skirt, but I wanted to style around to show that it looks good, it's a good piece. I'm just not comfortable in it. Thank God it was on sale. But yeah, I like this. This next outfit, I didn't want to wear heels, but imagine it with heels. You know, this is a gift from my parents for my high school graduation. So I don't know where they got it from. Like the tag doesn't really say which boutique it's from. Since the cutout is getting very, very popular, I'm sure you can find similar models, especially with like slit in front. So just don't worry. Don't worry, you'll find it if you like it. That's how it is. Cut out on the sides and then slit in the front. If you know me in real life, you know that I've actually worn this before. You will be right. I wore this at a little ball, the university thing. As I walked in, very confident, I had heels, my hair was popping, my makeup was popping. Perfect, honey, perfect. And I remember hearing someone whisper, "My God, her dress is so short." I spent the whole night being like, let's dance. Woohoo, yeah, no, I'm not. Whew. I'm so sad. I love this dress. I think it's beautiful. Gives me great bootay action, and I think it fits me pretty well. I like the originality of the cutout. Again, 4 years ago, that wasn't really a thing. My parents really like hit the jackpot with this dress. And I love it. I love the color. I think it can be casual. It could be like a more formal event, I guess, if it wasn't so short. What I wanted to emphasize with this outfit is that sometimes, sadly, your confidence comes from others. Bestie, that sucks. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. The person could have been talking about someone else that I didn't notice. I'm not sure of what actually happened. But in my head, it's branded as they were talking about my dress. My dress is too short. I should never wear it again. It's a beautiful dress! I guess the moral of the story is it's okay if you're not ready to wear what you want to wear, what you think looks good on you just yet. Luckily, I was with two great friends. If you're watching this video, you know who you are. I don't think they even heard what the person said, but now you know. And I still had a great night, even with all the awkward penguin dance. Let me know what you think. I like it. How do I look? I love those like flowy pants, you know, it makes me feel like I'm a ballet dancer, you know, ballerina, whatever. But it's one of those things that they're not really fully see-through depending on what underwear you wear. So since I never know how to fully style them and how to fully not be uncovered, I rarely wear them, and if I do, I always have a jacket that covers my bum just in case you can see the underwear, or I use it as a swimwear cover-up, which I think is a waste because they're beautiful, they make me look taller, the color, everything is perfect except that transparency thing. And then that type of tops, I'm not sure, they probably have a name. I know it's a turtleneck, but I mean like that cut right here. First off, it's great, so I'm not gonna keep on talking for 5 minutes. And second, I've tried 2 or 3 strapless bras for tops like this, because if you do wear a bra, the strap will show, which in itself is really not a big deal. I just don't like the way it looks personally. It's just me, you know, no biggie. Turtlenecks are superior. I don't care what anyone says. This is giving me going to Nobu for lunch. I don't know, let me know what you think. I think it looks cool. I don't know if it's better in or out. I think it's better in, right? Anyway, it doesn't matter, I'm not gonna wear it, so nah. So this is the last outfit. Jeans are Zara, top is Garage, bag, I couldn't find the tag, but I'm pretty sure it's Dynamite. And the shoes are thrifted, but the brand is Fion Ai. Lots of things going on in this outfit. That's why I kept it for last. First of all, I don't like you. The shoes. I'm not a fan of open-toe shoes just because I think feet are disgusting. I obviously have nothing against the fetish in itself. I'm just not part of the cult. So open-toe shoes are really a struggle, I think, for me. I don't know, I have huge veins on my feet and I feel like no one notices but me. I love the shoes, that square platform. So glad it's back in trend. Then the jeans. They are low rise. Here's the thing, since I have discovered high-rise jeans, high-rise pants, really, I've never ever changed because I really felt like it was tucking my belly and it helped with my silhouette, it helped to make me look taller. I don't think that's necessarily true anymore, but I've lost that confidence of being able to wear low-rise jeans unless I have like a super big hoodie or something that really covers that belly area. I want to finish with the main thing, the top. As you can see, it's one of those tops that you nod yourself. I don't like it with the straps, but I wanted to show that that was an option. I personally like it better without the straps, but you guessed it, that makes it way more dangerous for accidents. Super stupid, but I think this is giving like bad bitch energy on a Friday night. The fact that it's a square top makes me feel like I have huge shoulders, which, as you know, I don't have abs, so I don't have big shoulders. That's not a thing. And even if I did, that shouldn't stop me from wearing square tops, you know what I mean? Let me know if you guys even like the outfit, because if you don't even like it, why bother to build the confidence to wear it outside, you know? Well, this is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Maybe one day, you know, never give up. Let me know which outfit was your fave. Is there really one that I should just like give up on that I'm not seeing? Please let me know. Your feedback is always appreciated. Remember to empty your email boxes because that pollution is not cute. Woo! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications for any of my future videos. Actually, let me give you all a little secret. The people that watch this video are hot. I don't make the rules. I don't make the rules. It's a fact. It's science. Bye.